Hey there, it's Dory with Next Stage Drumming coming at you today with 4 quick tips to help you find your joy. After the year that we've just had, boy, I think everybody's ready for it. Am I right? Well, if you're just beginning as a drummer or just somebody who wants to check out drumming, here's the good news. If you can count, you can drum. So, my first tip would be keep it really simple. You can start with 4 beats without music to start with, just so that you get the feel for whatever it is that you're drumming on and what it should sound like. So, keep a steady, even tempo and start with 1, 2, 3, 4. There you There you go. Single stroke roll for all you drummers out there. So no matter what you have, even if you're using sticks on the wrong side kit back there, the drum kit, or you're using a drum pad, 1, 2, 3, 4. For an extra added challenge, you can just add an extra beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Same applies to the djembe. Again, I use djembes a lot, especially for my group classes because I bring drums for everybody, and these are pretty lightweight and portable. So 5 beats on a djembe would sound like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Next tip, pick a song you like, preferably upbeat, and first listen to it to catch the beat. Again, close your eyes, move a bit, whatever. You want to be able to, lock in that tempo so that you can match the drummer preferably. If you can't, don't worry about it. You're just drumming for fun anyway. So in the beginning, the main goal is to just feel the music and have fun. So that would be tip number 3. Pick a song you like. Tip number 2. Tip number 3, feel it and go. Don't overthink it. And last but not least, make sure you're having fun, because if you're not having fun, there's something wrong. Drumming is a really great release. It's loads of fun. The more you practice, the better you get. The better you get, the more you want to play. Trust me on that one, my friends. So if you have any questions about how to get started, what's the best drum for you, or how to work with me either privately or virtually or in person, just reach out and give me a shout. Dory, Dori, at nextstagedrumming.com. I'll be starting some group virtual classes very soon called The Joy of Drumming. So if you want to get in on that, definitely reach out so we can get you all signed up. Have some fun whacking a drum.